Which is the smallest railway zone in India? The correct option is option C, Metro Railway Kolkata. The largest producer of coffee in India is. The correct option is option A, Karnataka. Which railway station has the most number of platforms in India? The correct option is option A, Howrah Junction. Who was the first Vice President of India? The correct option is option B, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The largest freshwater lake in India is. The correct option is option A, Waller Lake. The national flag of India was adopted on. The correct option is option B, 22nd July 1947. The Indian National Congress was founded in. The correct option is option B, 1885. The Panchayati Raj system was first introduced in. The correct option is option A, Rajasthan. The first 5-year plan in India was launched in. The correct option is option B, 1951. The famous Sun Temple is located in. The correct option is option A, Odisha. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on. The correct option is option B, 21st June. What is the maximum speed of Vande Bharat Express trains? The correct option is option B, 160 km/h. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? The correct option is option C, Raja Gopalachari. Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? The correct option is option A, Punjab. Which train is referred to as the lifeline of India? The correct option is option C, local trains of Mumbai. Which railway station is known as the cleanest in India? The correct option is option C, Surat. The national bird of India is. The correct option is option B, peacock. The highest peak in India is. The correct option is option A, Kanchenjunga. Who is called the father of the nation in India? The correct option is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. The Lok Sabha is also known as. The correct option is option B, lower house. What is the name of India's first luxury train? The correct option is option A, Place on Wheels. Which zone is the largest railway zone in India? The correct option is option B, Northern Railway. What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? The correct option is option C, Apsara. Which is the longest river in India? The correct option is option A, Ganga. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct option is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. What does GDP stand for? The correct option is option A, gross domestic product. Who invented the telephone? The correct option is option A, Alexander Graham Bell. India's Chandrayaan 3 landed on which part of the moon? The correct option is option B, South Pole. What is the mascot of Indian Railways? The correct option is option A, Bolo the God Elephant. Who discovered penicillin? The correct option is option A, Alexander Fleming. What is the SI unit of force? The correct option is option B, Newton. What is the total number of players in a football team? The correct option is option C, 11. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2023? The correct option is option A, India.